Hello students. Today we will cover the CV and covering letter question for Class 11 English. Let's start. Covering letter format. The examination hall. abc@gmail.com. Remember, do not include your personal information here. Write the date of your exam. Then the editor. The Daily Dawn. Karachi. Dear Sir and Madam, I am writing this letter in response to your advertisement in Dawn Karachi dated the 13th of May, 2026, for the post of. Here, write the post you are applying for example, manager, teacher, etc. Paragraph 2. I have completed my graduation from Karachi University. I am also ready to work as a trainee. I am a computer literate graduate with 4 years of experience in this field. Paragraph 3 same to same Isa High. I feel that I am the most suitable candidate for this job because my ambition is to make a change. I am hardworking, honest, and punctual. Mention your biodata and assure sincerity. Paragraph 4 same to same Isa High. Please find my biodata enclosed for your consideration. If provided the opportunity, I assure you that I will perform my duties with utmost sincerity and dedication. I look forward to your favorable response. Then, thank you for your time and consideration. Yours faithfully, XYZ. Here comes the CV. First is the personal information heading, but do not write your real personal information. Write exactly as shown here. Personal information. Name, ABC. Father's name, ABC. Date of birth, the 1st of January, 2008. Marital status, unmarried. Address, ABC. Email, abc@gmail.com. Then, objective. To secure a position in your reputable organization and enhance my skills while contributing to its success. Then, educational details. University name, Karachi University. Degree, Bachelor in Computer Science. Here, write your own subject. For example, if your topic is teaching, write your relevant degree. College name, National College. Degree, Intermediate, Computer Science. School name, ABC High School. Matriculation, Science. Then, skills, computer skills, MS Office, computer software. Language skills, English, Urdu fluency. Strong communication skills. Time management skills. Here, write your skills according to your topic. For example, if applying for teaching, include teaching or communication skills. Work experience. Organization name, Citywide Academy. Role, web developer. Duration, 2 years. Here, change the role according to your topic. For example, for teaching right teacher or assistant. Reference, job advertisement in the Dawn newspaper. Wherever the words are marked in red in this paper, only change those according to your topic. Everything else, including format and pattern, should remain the same.